Hi everyone, we are in Tinkercad website and I want to show you how this tool works. You may have seen this before. If you have not used it, it's a good time just to start using it because it's a really fun tool. And it's right here to the right side. You can see this Scribble tool. You need to drag and drop it on your screen and start making whatever you want. You just draw things. If you don't like, you can clear it from here. So let's see what we can make. Just grab the tool and start drawing some shapes on your screen. And when you're done, you can click this button here. It's a done, and you will see the 3D shape right here. What I did here, I duplicated one shape that I drew. I duplicated and rotated it a few times, and I made different shapes. Let's see what we can make. Let's say you have something like this. You can change the height of your object by doing like moving this small square up or down. Also, you can change the height from here. The slider, move it to the right, it will get higher, and then to the left, and you can decrease the height. And if you decide to change your object, you can always go back when the shape is selected. You can always go back and change it. Let's say I want to erase some parts of it. You can grab the eraser and start just removing some parts from your drawing. Or you can grab the pen, draw tool, and add more shapes or add some thickness to your lines. Just play with this and see what kind of shapes you can make. And the next fun thing is that we can duplicate and rotate whatever we make. And we will get some unexpected shapes that maybe will inspire us to build something else. Okay, let's say I like this one, and maybe I want some holes inside. And then, I'm gonna delete this and this. See how you can just change the shapes that you are making, add or remove things. And let's say you like what you have, you can say, you can click this, done. And now we are in 3D space. Let's duplicate this. Let's see how we can duplicate and rotate something. First, we have to select the object and then click this button here, duplicate and repeat once. And then we can grab the rotation arrow and just rotate it like a little bit. Here we have 22.5 degrees. And then we can move it a little bit. Make sure it's still selected. When you're rotating, keep it selected. Don't click it, click anywhere else, and then move it. And then go to this button and click it one more time. And another time, like keep clicking the same button. And you will have this shape. I've removed the work plane. If you like to see it, you can go to settings and show grid, turn this on from here. This is our work plane, and we made something like this. I'm gonna just hide this one. To hide something, you can click hide or Control H on your keyboard. By the way, we have something here. Let's see what it is. Like and subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. These are the comments you can add from here if you want to have a note for yourself or whoever opens the project. You can add this and say, explain what you have or something, just add a note. Thank you for watching. And we can close it. And if you don't like this, we can always delete. Now let's go back to this. Also, I want to show you how you can change the background color. It's again in settings, and then you can go here and change the color to whatever color you prefer. So now these parts of this object, and they are separate objects, we can combine them by grouping. Let me keep one just actually, I'm gonna group. It will take a while. If you click this button here, you can group. And then let's put it on work plane now that we have it. If you want to see your object from top view, click this button like it's left the box. It says top, click the top view and you will see it from top. And I'm gonna hide this one and draw something else. If you like to change the color of the tool, like this is just fun. It's your Scribble tool. You can select the color from here and change it. Okay, let's go inside of our Scribble tool. We saw this draw tool and we saw the erase tool, but we have something else here. It says draw shape. And this one, erase with shape. Let's see how this works. Let's say I want to draw something like a circle up. Let's undo. Select this tool and then you can draw a circle. Just like that. And if you click done, you will go and see your shape. Let's go back. Let's say you want to cut a hole inside of this shape. You can click erase with shape and cut a shape inside of this. And you can add a lot of details with this. If you don't like what you're doing, you can undo. I'm gonna cut some shapes. Just start using it and see how it works. And again, if you want to add more details, you can always go and grab the draw tool and add things or erase things with eraser. Okay. When you're done, you can go back to 3D view and let's duplicate this one. I'm gonna make this one rotate. Like first, I want it to stand on this work plane. We can look at it from front view to check if it's a good rotation. If you want like perfect angles, you can always type the number. Let me undo. Oh, redo. Okay, let's say you want it to be a right angle and rotated like 90 degrees. You can just type it here, 90, enter. And then grab it, bring it a little bit higher. And if you want to place it on your work plane, press D on your keyboard and your object will just sit on the work plane. Now let's duplicate and repeat this one. Duplicate once, rotate it a little bit, and move it a little bit. I'm moving it so that like some parts are kind of next to each other and they are touching. And now I'm gonna just click this button here. Let's see what this shape will be. So here is what I have. So any of these shapes we can go and change. Yeah, we can make fun things with Scribble. Just experiment with it and feel free to just make abstract shapes and kind of you can just start with having no plans at all and see how it goes. Like experiment, play with it, and you will learn from that. I wanna just do like give a background color to my project and remove the grid. If you want to take a picture of your masterpiece, you can just select it, like look at it from whatever viewpoint you want. Zoom in and make a perfect picture. And if you go to send to, you can download it to your device. You will have a picture that you can send, like it's a PNG file. Also, if you want the 3D object, you can export it from here. Download a 3D file. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and just keep making things and you will learn from that. Tinkercad is so fun to use. Yeah, see you next time.